In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram limits problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple and easy. So please keep watching until the very end. First step you have to do is open this settings page on your phone and then go to the apps. And after that, all what you have to do now is simple. Just search for Instagram right here, and after you found it, so all what you have to do is click on it. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on this force stop option. And after you click on it, now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.